Hey guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm sharing with you another beautiful gel candle which is very simple and easy to make. Before I get into the video, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it as it means a lot to me. It will keep me motivated to create more such content for you guys. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can show us your work by tagging us on Instagram at Jhatpat Crafts.